As said by renowned Professor Abdul Kalam, learning needs freedom to think and freedom to imagine, and both must be facilitated by a teacher. The foundation for a better nation is the education of its youth. To excel in this fast changing world of technology, more than knowledge, there is a need of imagination and practical experience. Keystone is a brainchild of Professor Y.R. Soman. He has master's degree in chemical engineering and management and has more than 30 years of experience in the engineering, academics and management domains. Starting his journey as a lecturer, he has contributed to many reputed universities at various capacities and was instrumental in developing multiple institutes. He worked as member, Academic Council, University of Pune, Chairman, Board of Studies, Chemical Engineering, University of Pune, Member, Faculty of Engineering, University of Pune, worked on prestigious posts in reputed institutes like Sinhagar and Bharati Vidyapeeth. To fulfill his father's dream of making quality education accessible to everyone, he started his own venture, Keystone. At Keystone, we believe that the student is the center of an educational institute, and the role of any teacher is that of a friend, guide, and philosopher. This experienced and prestigious institute follows the philosophy by the teachers of the students for the society. A keystone is the basic guiding principle of any big venture. It is the central stone at the summit of an architecture which locks the whole structure firmly together. We want to become a keystone in the educational field by becoming a summit of schooling, bringing in students and companies together. We nurture our students to aspire and become keystones in the numerous fields, various job sectors and organizations which they are going to be a part of. The campus is located in the vicinity of upcoming areas of Pune like Hadapsar and NIBM. We started our journey with modest 54 students in 2012, and right now we have 1200 plus students with branches like computer engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, artificial intelligence and data science and mechanical engineering. All the courses are affiliated to Savitribai Phule, Pune University and approved by AICTE and DTE. The campus is developed considering biophilic architecture, which is extremely environment friendly, and everyone truly believes in harnessing natural environmental factors to the most, and hence implementing the concept of nurture with nature. We will be pleased to say that Keystone is a no pollution zone, free from noise, air, and sound pollution. The state-of-the-art infrastructure is created that fosters a teaching-learning process as per the university norms. The infrastructure includes spacious and well-ventilated classrooms which are modern and digitally equipped. The library with spacious reading room and ample light and ventilation which makes reading pleasurable. Library has a large number of books, national and international journals, e-books and all kinds of reading material. Seminar hall for guest sessions and professional guidance by industry experts. Open air amphitheater for extracurricular activities and curricular activities. Open air canteen that provides healthy food and excellent ambience for students to relax. Multiple green areas where students can enjoy with nature. As they say, not all classrooms have four walls. We have humongous sports arena which includes cricket, football and volleyball courts. The soul of any institute is its students. In Keystone, we encourage our students for their involvement in sporting and cultural activities. These activities establish all-round development of students, which is very important as it impulses rich diversity. We have formed Keystone Cultural Club Kalastroth, where students are given a platform to show their hidden abilities and skills in wide areas other than academics, which helps them to gain higher confidence and ultimately become good team players when they begin professional careers. At Keystone, we have a blend of experienced as well as younger faculty, and all the educators are postgraduates, and most of them are either pursuing or completed their doctorates. Our team is headed by Dr. Sandeep Kadam, Principal of Keystone School of Engineering. He holds a doctorate degree in computer science and engineering. His expertise is in blending academic and industry expertise. He has executed many prestigious projects in industry as Vice President. Dr. Kadam aims to keep Keystone at the cutting edge of engineering education, driving continuous innovation through strong industry collaborations. He ensures our students are equipped with the latest knowledge and skills required by the ever-evolving technology sector. Keystone School of Engineering regularly arranges expert lectures, bringing in speakers with proven expertise. Till date, 150 plus eminent personalities from industry guided our students. We have initiated a unique teacher-guardian system in which a student's day-to-day challenges are put forth in front of a teacher-guardian who provides a moral and emotional support to each and every student. A continuous communication is maintained between teachers and parents so that they collaboratively work towards the future of the students. Our institute provides the tools to excel in this highly competitive world. Mr. Bharat Bhushan Sood, the Dean of Training and Placement, is a BITS Pilani graduate in mechanical engineering. He has a vast experience of over 40 years with reputed national and multinational companies. The placement cell liaises with various establishments and corporate houses which conduct campus interviews and select our students. The cell provides the infrastructure facility and a well-qualified training heads who help develop the verbal ability of good communication skills within a short span of time. Keeping in mind rigorous competition in job market and providing our students the competitive edge while searching for employment, we have designed unique Engineering Plus program where innovation meets education and excellence. Our program represents a revolutionary approach to nurturing the next generation of engineering talent. It encompasses Keystone Excellence Centers, where students can avail international certification from different technology providers like Amazon Web Services for cloud technologies, Red Hat for Red Hat technologies and skills, Oracle for field of computing, Palo Alto for cyber security, STQA for software testing and quality assurance, IoT for automation and man-machine interface, FOSS for free and open source programming, etc. These certifications provide them global exposure. Engineering Plus also includes honor courses, which enable students to excel in hype trends like IoT, artificial intelligence, EV technology, etc. This hands-on experience provides invaluable industry exposure and networking opportunities that are essential for success in today's competitive world. Keystone is pioneer of industrial mentorship program in India, where students are guided by industry stalwarts for shaping their career through multiple interactions and activities. This program itself is our best practice, which imparts students exposure second to none through best professional guidance. We strongly believe a mentor is someone who allows you to see the hope inside yourself. The students are taught foreign languages like German and Japanese, which helps them maintain a competitive advantage when outsourcing of work comes in picture. The college organizes curriculum events like project exhibitions, which are evaluated by industry experts to test the effectiveness of the undertaken work and imperative approach. We help the students for business incubation programs and help our students to be great entrepreneurs by providing them this platform. Our alumni are placed in top multinational companies and we have reached highest package of 30 plus lakh per annum. Many of them are having 6-digit packages and average package is around 5 lakh per annum. We are devoted to provide 100% placement assistance to our students. Through this glorious journey, we have achieved multiple milestones. In 2017, Keystone ranked 19th for excellent industry exposure by Higher Education Survey. In 2022, our Dean Training and Placement received Best CEO Award by SME Biz. In 2022, our founder director Soman Sir received Best Educator of the Year Award by Lokmat Education Awards. In 2023, Keystone is awarded Best Innovative Engineering Institute by Times Education Icons. In December 2023, Keystone received prestigious NAAC A grade by National Accreditation and Assessment Committee. In 2024, Keystone ranked 106th in India in Private Engineering Institutes category by Times of India. Our students are also not lagging behind when it comes to achieving milestones. Here are some of them who have made us proud by achieving excellence in their fields, and some of them have created their own ventures and created new employabilities. Our students have been ranked second in National Level Event Hackathon 2024 by ONGC Build for Bharat in Bangalore, where more than 27,000 plus participants were enrolled from reputed institutes all over India. We take care of the accommodation facility of all our students. We have hostel buildings for boys and girls near the campus and a bus transportation facility plying all over Pune and the suburban areas. Keystone believes in creating the perfect ambience for productivity. At Keystone, we know that the success is where potential and opportunity meet, which is why we create opportunities for the youth and prepare the students to transform into complete, successful, and respected individuals.